Welcome to Cooking with Kyra. I'm Kyra and this is my daughter Ellie.
Hi.
Today we're going to be making star-powered pizza, but first we'll read a story. This one is called Super Mario. Welcome to the Mushroom Kingdom. This is the place the kind Princess Peach calls home. The princess is popular with the citizens of the Mushroom Kingdom.
Bowser, the powerful king of the Koopas, often invades the Mushroom Kingdom. Bowser has an entire army to back him up.
From Goombas to Hammer Bros and Koopa Troopas, Bowser's goons will do anything he asks to put him on top.
Who can possibly save the Mushroom Kingdom from Bowser's awful plots? Why is Mario the brave hero of... Why? It's Mario, the brave hero of the Mushroom Kingdom.
Bowser is up to his wicked ways again, but Mario is always there to save the day.
Mario doesn't have to save the Mushroom Kingdom all by himself. His brother Luigi is always ready to help.
Luigi isn't as brave as Mario, but he has the heart of a hero, as long as there are no spooky ghosts around. Luigi's afraid of the ghosts.
Mario and Luigi also have Yoshi on their side. Yoshi uses his long tongue to eat up their enemies or any tasty fruit he finds along the way.
Yoshi carries Mario far and wide to save the Mushroom Kingdom. By fluttering his legs, Yoshi can jump extra high to reach new areas.
Toads come in a variety of colors. They are happy to help Princess Peach.
Toads try to protect the Mushroom Kingdom, but they are no match for Bowser.
Bowser isn't the only problem facing the Mushroom Kingdom. Mario and his friends also have to worry about
piranha plants, Koopa Troopas, Buzzy Beetles, Spinies, Lakitis, Koopa Paratroopas, Chain Chomps, Goombas, and other enemies.
I like Goombas.
The Koopalings are an even bigger obstacle. They are led by Bowser's naughty son, Bowser Jr. They all help Bowser get in Mario's way.
It's a good thing that Mario always keeps a power-up handy. The Superstar makes him invincible and keeps him safe.
The Super Mushroom lets him turn into his super form. The Fire Flower lets him throw fireballs.
Roar! Headphone user warning. With Mario around, Bowser's no good plans will never succeed.
The Mushroom Kingdom stays safe thanks to Mario and his friends. The adventure never ends in the Mushroom Kingdom. The end. Alright friends, now that we've read our story, we're going to go over the ingredients that you should have received in your bag from the New Lenox Public Library. First, you should see a can of tomato sauce.
Tomato.
You'll also have a container of mini pepperonis. Yours will be in a container. And you'll have a bag of mozzarella cheese and a star cookie cutter.
It's a star.
In addition to these ingredients and supplies, you will also need a couple of things from home. You will need parchment paper, a can opener, a spoon. We have two because we're doing two. This is optional, but if you have Italian seasonings or oregano, it will make your pizza taste much better. A cooling rack and a baking pan. All right, now that we've gone over our ingredients and supplies, we're gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing that you're gonna wanna do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. You may need the help of an adult for that. You also want to open your can of tomato sauce with your can opener. Again, you may want some adult help,
Can I do it?
some grown-up help. And be careful of the sharp edges. Now we've got our 2 tortillas out in front of us here. We're gonna take our cookie cutter shapes. I think your tortillas might be a little bit smaller. You might only be able to get 1 star out of your tortillas, but I'm gonna try and get 2 stars out of mine. Maybe even 3. You know, really wanna press into the tortilla to get those shapes. Press down. Press down hard, good. You got it? Press down hard. Just need a little bit more leverage, so you got to get up on top of it. So like really press it like this over the top. There you go. Press and kind of like switch, like turn it while you're pressing. There you go. Good job. All right, so we've got 5 good ones. We're gonna take our scraps, put them off to the side for now. We're going to take our cookie cutters and put those off to the side as well. And then we're just going to add a little bit of sauce to each tortilla. You don't need too much. Are you going to do this part?
Yeah.
Okay. Spread it out with your spoon.
Why do you want so much?
I don't know. Some people like it a little saucier. If you don't like yours as saucy, you can add less. And I'm going to put my spoon in. Do this one too. And then once you have your sauce on, you can add, if you have your Italian seasonings, you can add your Italian seasonings.
I want to do it to
On
mine.
the top of your, my fan is on, so it's below my Italian seasonings. Just a little bit.
No.
Oh, okay, okay. And then add some cheese. Probably don't need very much. Alright, so now you add your cheese. I'm going to put the pepperoni on. So you can kind of make it look like a character if you just put 2 on, like little eyes. Or if you would rather have a little bit more pepperoni, then you can just add it like a pizza.
Or you can make it a smiley face.
You could try, but I don't know if there's enough room for that. You can also use olives instead of pepperoni if you are vegetarian or if you just don't like pepperoni. Olives are always an option. You can always add olives if you like olives, and
Can
do
I add olives?
and pepperoni. We don't have any olives right now, so no, we can't do olives. Add your pepperoni, And once Ellie gets her pepperoni on, we're going to pop this into our oven for about 5 minutes or until our cheese is nice and melted. We're going to keep it on the parchment paper, and we're going to move the parchment paper with the pizzas on it onto our baking sheet and then put that in the oven. Once it's all done, we want to take the pan out of the oven and take the pizzas off of the pan and put them onto our cooling rack. And then we'll let them cool down for a minute and we'll enjoy them together. All right, friends, so we just let our pizzas cool down on our cooling rack for about 5 minutes, and now they're ready to try. Try pepperoni?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we cheersing? Cheers. Star Power Pizza. That's where it's at. Thanks for joining us on Cooking with Kyra this month, and we'll see you guys next month. Bye!